This is a Hyundai i30N protected with a Halo Mini, so if a thief got this keyed on a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, as soon as they go to drive away, the vehicle cuts out, it's going nowhere. So for the customer, they can start the car, go through a code, for now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, receive the flash from the hazards, and they can drive away, and the vehicle runs. As soon as they turn the vehicle off, the system activates instantly, confirmed with 2 flashes, and once again, if someone tried to steal it, they pop it into gear, go to drive away, it cuts out. If the customer's taking this for a service, what they'll do, foot off the brake, they'll double tap the start button to get the ignition on, pop their code in, and they'll hold on the last press for about 15 seconds until we get 5 flashes. So we keep the button held. This now becomes a normal vehicle. In service mode, the vehicle is going to start up. They're going to be able to drive it as if there's no immobiliser fitted. It doesn't cut out. And that's unlimited. So when it's back in service mode, it remains in service mode until you take it out. To turn the system back on, make your vehicle secure, it's the same process. So double tap with your foot off the brake to get the ignition on, pop your code in and hold on the last button. So we keep this held for 15 seconds again, and you'll see we just get 1 flash to confirm it's come out of service mode and your system's now active again. There we go, we've got that. So when we turn it off, we're back to normal with our double flash activation on the dash, and your system's active. Customer can obviously choose their own code on this between 3 and 21 presses, and how they do that, double tap to get the ignition on with your foot off the brake, first prove it's you, get your code, and then we'll press the accelerator 10 times to the floor, receive a double flash, which means it's in learn mode. So now we can do 1, 2, 3 for example, turn it off, that's our code learned. So next time we get in the vehicle, obviously that code has now changed. So 1, 2, 3, receive our flash, we can drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.